Hello everyone, welcome back, and you're watching Technical World. Lot of iPhone 12, 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max user reported that their iPhone screen keep dimming. In this video, I will tell you how to get rid of this issue. I'm not using iPhone 12, but I have a solutions for this problem. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. Solution number 1. Disable Reduce White Point. For that, first go to Settings, then tap Accessibility, tap Display and Text Size, scroll down and disable Reduce White Point if is enabled. Solution number 2. Turn off Auto Brightness. When auto brightness is turned on, it will adjust the screen brightness according to the lighting conditions. For that, first launch Settings, find and tap on Accessibility, then tap Display and Text Size, scroll down and turn off Auto Brightness. Solution number 3. Turn off and turn on Automatic for Display and Brightness. For that, first go to Settings, then tap Display and Brightness. Make sure that brightness on your iPhone is set to automatic. If it's already set to automatic, then turn off it. Next, force restart your iPhone. To force restart iPhone, press and quickly release volume up button, then press and quickly release volume down button, then press side button until we see the Apple logo. After force restart, go back to Settings, tap Display and Brightness, then re-enable it after the iPhone reboots and set the brightness level according to your need. Solution number 4. Check for software update. To check that, launch Settings and connect to Wi-Fi, then tap General, tap Software Update and update your iPhone if update is available. Solution number 5. Reset all settings. Resetting the all settings will reset your all customized setting to default setting like brightness, alarm, wallpaper, ringtone, etc. But no data and the personal data will be deleted. For that, go to Settings, tap General, tap Reset and tap Reset all settings, put your iPhone passcode and tap again. Reset all settings to confirm your action. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.